Start the exercise.
Lying scissor kicks. The scissor kick exercise works your core muscles, glutes, quads, and adductors. Engaging your core muscles is what allows you to flutter your legs up and down. The core muscles include the rectus abdominis, obliques, transversus abdominis, and the hip flexors.
Three, two, one. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
Cross-body push-up. A push-up variation that not just works out the chest and shoulders but forces your abdominal and oblique muscles to work as well. This workout stresses upon the lower back and works out those hip muscles.
Three, two, one. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
Kick out. The ab kick out works the rectus abdominis in the middle of your abdomen and the deeper transversus abdominis. Besides increasing muscle tone, the exercise also improves your posture, stability, and balance. Core exercises like kickouts have the added benefit of helping prevent lower back pain and injury.
Almost there. Three, two, one. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
Upper crunch. Develops core muscles. Crunches are a great way to sculpt the core muscles in the upper body. Though they focus solely on the abdominal area, they also extend the neck and shoulder muscles, helping relax any stiffness and strain in the region. In this manner, the upper body strength is immensely increased, for more stamina in sports and athletic activities.
Three, two, one. Rest.